Have you ever found yourself trying to combine two lists in Python only to feel stuck? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to learn how to zip two one-dimensional NumPy arrays into a two-dimensional array. I totally get it. Working with arrays can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to manipulate them in ways that aren't immediately obvious. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I zip two one-dimensional NumPy arrays into a two-dimensional array? They provided two arrays, one with numbers 1 through 5 and another with numbers 6 through 10. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what does zipping arrays mean? Essentially, it allows you to combine elements from two arrays into pairs, creating a new two-dimensional array. This is a common operation in data manipulation and can be really useful for organizing your data. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to efficiently handle larger data sets with NumPy. To begin, the user should import the NumPy library, which is essential for working with arrays in Python. This can be done by using the import statement. Next, the user needs to create the two one-dimensional arrays. In this case, the user has already defined the arrays named A and B. Now the user can use the NumPy function called columnStack to combine these two arrays into a two-dimensional array. This function stacks the arrays as columns. Finally, the user can print the resulting two-dimensional array to see the output. This will display the combined array in the desired format. Fun fact. Did you know that the concept of arrays dates back to the early days of computing? They were originally used to store data in a structured way, and they still play a crucial role in programming today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by a user is to use the zip function. This method combines the two one-dimensional arrays into a two-dimensional array easily. Here's that quick tip I promised. When working with larger data sets, consider using NumPy's built-in functions for efficiency. They are optimized for performance and can save you a lot of time. And there you have it. You've successfully zipped two one-dimensional NumPy arrays into a two-dimensional array. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced NumPy techniques.